What if I told you that one motorcycle has been trusted by millions of riders for decades and is still one of the smartest bikes you can buy in 2026? Today, we're reviewing the Hero Splendor Plus 2026, a motorcycle that's not built for racing or showing off. It's built to save money, deliver reliability, and keep moving day after day. When it comes to commuter motorcycles, the Hero Splendor Plus is a true legend. For years, it has been one of the best-selling motorcycles in the world, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with a simple yet effective package. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Splendor Plus 2026 looks familiar, and that's intentional. Hero hasn't completely changed the bike because riders love its classic styling. The motorcycle features sleek body graphics, a comfortable single-piece seat, chrome accents, and a practical commuter-friendly design. It's not flashy, but it looks clean, professional, and timeless. Moving to the engine, the Splendor Plus is powered by a reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine produces around 8 horsepower and is paired with a smooth 4-speed gearbox. Now, these numbers may not sound exciting, but that's not what this bike is about. The real strength of the Splendor lies in its fuel efficiency and reliability. The engine is tuned to deliver excellent mileage while remaining easy to maintain. Whether you're commuting to work, college, or running daily errands, this motorcycle gets the job done without putting pressure on your wallet. Speaking of mileage, this is where the Splendor truly shines. Riders can expect around 60 to 70 kilometers per liter in real-world conditions, depending on riding style and road conditions. With rising fuel prices, this level of efficiency can save a significant amount of money over time. Another useful feature is Hero's i3S technology. This intelligent start-stop system automatically turns off the engine when the motorcycle is idle for a few seconds and restarts it instantly when the clutch is pressed. It's a simple feature, but it helps improve fuel economy, especially in heavy city traffic. Now let's talk about comfort. The Splendor Plus 2026 is designed with everyday riders in mind. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make it comfortable for long hours on the road. Whether you're riding through busy city streets or traveling between towns, the bike feels relaxed and easy to control. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers. This combination handles potholes, speed breakers, and rough roads quite well. It may not be a premium suspension system, but for daily commuting, it performs admirably. When it comes to handling, the Splendor is lightweight and easy to maneuver. New riders will appreciate how confidence-inspiring it feels, while experienced riders will enjoy its simplicity. Parking, navigating traffic, and making quick turns are all effortless thanks to the bike's low weight and balanced chassis. The braking system includes drum brakes, while some variants may offer additional safety features. Braking performance is predictable and suitable for city riding. Although it isn't a high-performance braking setup, it matches the motorcycle's intended purpose perfectly. Technology has also improved on newer Splendor models. Depending on the variant, riders may get a semi-digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, call and SMS alerts, real-time mileage information, and a USB charging port. These modern touches help the Splendor stay competitive in today's market without compromising its simplicity. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Splendor is maintenance. Spare parts are affordable, service centers are widely available, and mechanics everywhere know how to work on this motorcycle. This means lower ownership costs and fewer headaches over the years. However, no motorcycle is perfect. If you're looking for high speed, aggressive styling, or thrilling performance, the Splendor Plus is not the bike for you. The engine is designed for efficiency rather than excitement. Highway overtakes require planning, and the bike feels most comfortable at moderate cruising speeds. But that's exactly the point. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 isn't trying to be a sports bike. It's designed for students, office workers, delivery riders, small business owners, and anyone who needs dependable transportation every day. So, should you buy the Hero Splendor Plus 2026? If your priorities are fuel economy, reliability, comfort, affordability, and low maintenance costs, then the answer is absolutely yes. It remains one of the best commuter motorcycles available and continues to prove why millions of riders trust the Splendor name. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 may not be the fastest or most exciting motorcycle on the road, but when it comes to reliability, efficiency, and value for money, it's still one of the kings of the commuter segment. And sometimes, that's exactly what matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Motorcycle Sparkles.